Hello traders, you're welcome to the Bullish Bay Academy. I remain your one and only Forex Q coach, Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys on this right now. In this channel, we post the strategies to win in the Forex market, and I post quite a lot of things that you don't want to miss out. So could you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out a dime, okay? You get to be the first to be notified whenever I release awesome strategies like this. All right. Almost all my subscribers have been commenting and have been sending me quite a lot of thankful messages about my strategies because they're really loving it and how effective it is. All right, so you want to make sure that you don't miss out any of my strategies, and the next thing you want to do is to go straight to the description below and join the my Telegram channel, where a lot of things happen here, and this is what you don't want to miss, trader. I post strategies, I post free signals to win in the market. I ask my traders questions, I engage them, I keep them moving on because a lot of things they need to know and learn about the forex market. I always enlighten them, so you don't want to miss out anything. Right now, as you can see, currently we're about to go on a conversation. We're about to go. I'm about to take everybody now, so that we're gonna have to communicate. Okay, I want to ask them some questions. All right, and get to hear from them what they feel or think about the forex market. So before I begin the discussion, I just want to run this video quickly and give you the strategy to win in this market. Now it's a 15-minute time frame strategy. Okay. Actually, the reason why I'm making this video right now is because I want to teach my traders some things. Okay, if you get a notice, I asked them a question here. I said, okay, this was the question that I asked them. I said, hello traders, in the boom and crash market, what time frame do you would like to trade mostly? And you get to see that 41 people said I love the 1 minute time frame, 14 people said 5 minutes, 21 people said 15-minute time frames, 4 people said 1 hour, 1 person said 4 hour. All right, so and you get to see that I told them, left to me, I prefer, okay, but you know the interesting thing now is I feel more comfortable trading with a 15-minute time frame because I love it. I love trading with a 15-minute time frame. You know, when I started my trading career newly, I used to love the 1 minute time frame because it's quite interesting and quick to get money, right? But with time, I got to understand that, look, is good to trade and make money, yeah, but it's also good when you trade like a professional. You understand? So I trade not just with indicators, I trade also with price actions. So that's what gives me confidence to even trade with a 15-minute time frame. All right, I'll close this trade right now. I'm in a $32 profit. Just give me time to close this trade. And okay, so we're back. All right, I just want to make sure a spike doesn't come unknowingly against me. Okay, so that was $32 profit on this trade. So the strategy is very simple. It's a normal strategy, everybody knows. Okay, it says if the market gets to the overbought level, get ready to sell. If it gets to the oversold level, you do what? You buy. But one thing you want to make sure is this: you want to make sure at every time before you take any trade, buying or selling, you want to make sure that the two moving indicators you can see here, the white and the blue indicators, you want to make sure that they touch the red lines before you take a trade. All right, not just touching the red line. You want to make sure that as it touches the red line, it faces upward, going upward. All right, because sometimes it could touch the red line and then you see some traders say, okay, Tim said when it touches the red line then we should buy, and then they take a buy only to see that the trade keeps going down. So you want to make sure that you allow the trade to touch the oversold level and give you signals that yes, is ready to buy. And the signal to tell you that it's ready to buy is when the moving lines turn upward, facing upward. The two of them, the white and the blue, must face upward, going up. If I would advise you, you can give it like 2 or 3 or 5 minutes or even 15 minutes. Okay, give it a full candlestick. out of the line, above the line, a full candlestick, 15 minutes candlestick above the line before you take a buy. The same thing applies when it gets to the overbought level. You want to make sure that once the moving lines touch the 90 level, okay, the 90.00 level, you want to make sure that the two of them faces what downward, okay, downward. You can give it a 15-minute full-time candlestick. That is this. You see this candlestick here? All right, I'll zoom it out. You can see this full candlestick is, this is a 15-minute time frame. So that tells you that one candlestick is equal to what? 1 minute, 15 minutes times. All right, so if you can give it the trade of 15 minutes to come out of the line, that means you're giving it a whole candlestick to be sure that this market is ready to go down. And don't get it twisted, trader. Don't get it twisted. Let me not try to deceive you. All right, sometimes anything can happen. It's forex, okay? Sometimes you can see a full 15-minute time candlestick come downward, and you place a sell, and then you suddenly see a big short against you. So you just need to make sure that you be careful, okay? In everything you do, always make sure that you're being careful. But the interesting thing about this is that it's a 15-minute time strategy, and if you can successfully get out one candlestick, one full candlestick, you've traded a 15-minute full-time trade, okay? But I'll give you a little secret, okay? I'll give you a little secret. I wouldn't leave you just like that. You can bring out a horizontal trend line, okay? And then this is what you do. Listen to me, trader. Listen to me. Make sure you're not skipping this. You want to place your horizontal line. All right, you want to always find out where is the next support level, or where is the next resistant level, okay, of a trade. Where did the spike take place before? And then you should understand that if spike took place at this level before, there's every tendency that it can take place again, because it is an obvious thing in the forex market that when a price is resisted in a particular zone once, it could always be resisted twice. You understand? So this is what you want to do. We get to see that the markets had a spike here before. So okay, so if the market had a spike at this junction before, you can see I'm pointing at the blue candlestick. Okay, this is where the spike took place upward, right? So you want to make sure that you place your trade like that, your trend line like this. Then as the market is coming down, you are expecting that at any time this market could actually spike, since it's around here. So if the market crosses that level successfully and doesn't spike, you want to make sure you look for the next level, support, or being it support or resistance. Okay, so this is another support or resistance zone. All right, so you want to make sure that you're being careful about this area, because anything can happen. All right, so once the trade crosses that line and begins to go down, straight downward, then down, okay, so you should be confident that the market is ready to really go down. All right, so this is just an unpredictable thing, but you just need to be careful. Okay, exactly what I said. You can see that spike. You can see the spike. Now I will show you why this happened. Okay, I will show you why it happened. Now take a look at what's happening here. What did I just tell you, traders? You can see the spike took place here, and what is here? You can see this is a support zone before, and that is what happened. A spike took place. Okay, so that's why you need to be very careful and very vigilant. All right, that's why I trade mostly this boom and crash market of a thing. I trade it mostly with even my price action. So you want to go to the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame. I just didn't want this video to be so long. Well, how many minutes? It's 9 minutes now. All right, I just don't want it to be so long, okay? Because I want to discuss with my traders in the Telegram channel right now. So I've just given you a little idea of how you can spot out your support and resistance levels in the 15-minute time frame, so that you don't get caught by a spike, okay? But sometimes it's also important you also not to get the fact that if you observe is an uptrend in market, as you can see, currently ranging here, but it's an uptrend in market. So I guess it's more important you should know that it's good to trade with the trend. Okay, you can see another spike has taken place. This to tell you that it's an uptrending market, so you trade according with the trend. So our advice, if you're in boom 1000 or boom 5, if please listen to this, if since it's an uptrending market, okay, you want to trade with the trend. So what I advise you to do is to take more spikes than trading candlesticks in this kind of a market. Okay, how did I spot that out? You go to your 4-hour time frame, and then you spot out the fact that this is an uptrending market. As you can see, this is a higher high. Markets keep going high, so it's an uptrending market at this junction. Okay, so you want to trade with the with the trend. Okay, so I advise you to catch more spikes. Don't get it twisted. I know some people will say, but Tim, you were selling just now. Yeah, I was selling just because I placed my trade at this junction, and you can see there was no spikes around here. Okay, so that was why I confidently placed the trade. And you notice I got out of the market immediately, and it didn't take much time, and what happened is spiked up. So you need to be careful, traders. So the main rule is what I told you about here and about here. So let's go straight to the setting. Let me give you your relative strength index. You have period to be 1, close, make the background make your style to be white. Okay, then your level should be 90 and 8.410. all right, then the next thing is your moving average, 5 to be period, shift 0, exponential, close, blue, and you click on done. And then lastly, you have your MACD, 151, close, black, white. Okay, and then you do what? You click done. So at this junction, this is what you have. Okay, traders, I hope this works for you. If it works for you, don't forget to give me a like, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and join my Telegram channel. Leave a comment below, just a comment to encourage me to keep doing more, because in this market we are gonna keep winning.